Starting in Belgium, Dare is a family-run company creating fixed-roof pergolas, verandas, pool enclosures, and solar carports. Since 1990, they've helped people turn patios into spaces that open to the sun or close against rain in seconds. Open or close it with the MyCover app or a remote. The Maytronics Air Cover 300 is an automatic pool cover made for pools up to 872 square feet. You can choose colors and finishes to match your yard. Australia! The Realm Drain is made by an Australian company focused on drainage and water management. It is for surface water on driveways and paths with a 3.94-inch depth. When seeing hard-to-reach, super high buildings that shine like they just got out of a bath, I wonder, how could they reach and clean those windows? Instead, I shout out loud, "Philippe Petit, I know you've been there." Now robots can do it, using water-powered drones to clean skyscrapers. London. Turns out, round solar panels can be up to 70% more effective than flat ones. Their spherical shape captures sunlight from multiple angles all day, not just in one direction. Raw Lemon Ltd. Developed BICSP technology with a sun-tracking glass lens and built-in battery storage. Again, UK. Some say it's just a drink, but we know better. The Berry Sieur wakes you with fresh coffee right on your bedside table. Set it before bed, store milk, and let it start 5 minutes around your alarm. Italy! Who still uses balconies for coffee time? That is still trendy. But balconies are also for solar panels now. For instance, iCaris Balcony System is a quick 4-step setup. Each panel produces 330 watts and stores energy for later. South Korea. Meet the Phantom Rovo massage chair. It gives full body massage with XD Pro rollers that move in tiny increments, just like real fingers. With 87 air pockets, heat up to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, body scanning, and space-saving design, it's made smart and simple. UK. Tired of uninvited guests? Just kidding. These UK-made Prickla 45 anti-climb spikes help stop unwanted visitors. Each strip fits walls or gates, and the weather-resistant plastic hold on rain and cold.